Ever wanted your Figma prototypes to feel as polished and interactive as a live website? Today, transforming your designs with a dynamic drop-down menu is easier than you think. Let's dive right into Figma and build our interactive drop-down first. We'll create the basic elements of our drop-down. Start by creating a rectangle for the main button that will trigger the drop-down. This will be the visible element in your design. Now, let's add some text to our button. Type in something like menu or the name of the category you want to represent. Style this text to fit your design aesthetic. Choose a font size and color that complements your overall UI. Next, we need the drop-down items themselves. Create another rectangle, perhaps a bit larger, to act as the container for your drop-down options. Then, add text layers inside this container for each menu item. Think of common drop-down options like Option 1, Option 2, Settings, or Profile. To make this reusable and manageable, we'll turn these elements into a component. Select the button and its text, then right-click and choose Create Component. Repeat this process for the drop-down container and its items. This is crucial for efficient design systems. Now, let's go back to our main button component. We want to add a variant to represent the open state of the drop-down with the button component selected. Go to the right-hand panel and click the button to add a new variant. You'll see a second artboard appear, representing the extended state. In this new open variant, we'll detach the drop-down container from the main button placeholder. Then, we'll reconnect it so it's now visible, positioned directly below our button. Ensure the drop-down container is visible in this variant. It's time to add the magic. Go back to your main button instance on the canvas selected, and in the Prototyping tab on the right, drag a connection from the button to the open variant you just created. Set the trigger to on. Click and choose Open Overlay for the interaction. For styling the overlay, choose center or bottom center so it appears neatly below the button. You can also add a background color or an animation like Smart Animate for a smooth transition. Now, when you click the button, the drop-down will appear. Finally, select your drop-down container component and create another variant. This time, the variant will represent the state where the drop-down is not visible. Ensure the drop-down container is hidden in this variant. Then, in your open variant, drag a connection from the drop-down container back to this hidden variant, using on-click and close overlay as the interaction. And there you have it, a fully interactive drop-down menu in Figma. This technique will elevate your prototypes, making them more realistic and intuitive for stakeholders and users alike. Experiment with different styles and interactions to truly master UI design.